Right. Good evening. Good evening. Na yeshema numre yebedi kumasi asante Kotoko come live on Porcupine Stand with Silver. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There are some more. Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Berekum Chelsea, a lot of issues and this particular game on. We'll try as much as possible to address most of it. But and surprisingly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Very, very important. Surprisingly, I saw a statement from Yusuf Nuruddin, former Asante Kotoko defender. I also laugh. Nah, okay. To the owner and live patron, or 248 to management, technical team players, and the passionate fans of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, it has been an incredible journey. I'm forever grateful for the opportunities and lessons learned and unforgettable memories we created together on and off the field. Wearing the Kotoko jersey has been one of the greatest honor of my career. This is coming from Yusuf Nuruddin. And I'm like, maybe I'm confused. I'm confused because we are talking about a player. It's been almost 2 months officially as Asante Kotoko. And this statement by Abontin, someone in a contract, they've mutually terminated it. But I feel about any official statement about Abontin. How does Asante Kotoko cheat for us? I saw this release and I'm confused. But he ended it by saying, once a porcupine, always a porcupine. Thanks all of you. Best wishes, Yusuf Mohammed Nuruddin, defender. Imagine why I'm trying to break this down. Why a player club no terminated contract bare 2 months ago will now come out to say thank you to the fans, to the coach, to the technical team, to the live patron, to the owner. And or to affair about one thing, which is not possible. So why this statement at this time? That is more like a teaser and kind common and the APA movie. You may think come you ransom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, the mystery of the week. Asante Kotoko and Berekum Chelsea game ever cost Berekum. And why the game Ember TV. That is the mystery of the week. People in attempt to solve this mystery came out to say, it is possible that the Berekum Golden City Park is not in the best of shape. Tibia Park nenye enunti and the game will not be played or live on TV. Well, credit to Kofi Tagore. This is a video from Kofi Tagore. Kofi Tagore added a video of the Berekum Golden City Park. Credit to Kofi Tagore. Say Kofi Boa, say Obed Mesme Boa. And like we do here, I have not verified this video. Good. But Obi Onim Romeo. Romeo ye ejuma osunyane. Moonlight. Romeo ye ejuma Berekum. And he also shared this post. So I want to give them the benefit of doubt that there will be substance in this video. So let's just go and watch Berekum Golden City Park. Credit to Kofi Tagore. The state of the venue. And based on the video and confirming the first attempt to solve the mystery behind Kotoko Berekum Chelsea not being on TV. Because the pitch look so green. Tenye editing. Na nya baby fufuro na Kofi akotwa. Na Berekum Golden City Park there. It looks so green. And for viewers, this is a pitch that should be baby, I see a bobo, I say a TV. So you let's go and watch it. Yeah, then I'll continue the conversation around Asante Kotoko and Berekum Chelsea. Credit to Kofi Tagore once again.
Right. Berekum Golden City Park. So I want to say colors, Asasa, blue and white. You see, Berekum chairs in 24. I share. I'm a park, inside no, a painting kama. Most starting and then the year no start here. We pool na see one tell us for pool no and see one on start here. You say my painty go post na see pool na see okono. My painty see modu nyansa cafe so baby after ko fia brigade no. Aho and so modu. Omugu so I say juma no mo nyam point. Sha no say is park ni inside on no. Omo painting no kama ama na timi aye bro. Enti so ba Berekum go the city park turf no ɛyɛ green kama no na wall no so yɛtumi apenti no blue and white ne nyinaa ɛyɛ Berekum Chelsea ɛna ɛyɛ sɛdeɛ bi a ɔwɔ abawie mu ɛwɔ park no so bia no zampa park no nsakyerɛ mapa ɛtumi abam ti kudos nkɔmfa Berekum Chelsea 24 right Berekum go the city park sɛ wɔn sɛ colours no asesa ɛyɛ blue and white a ɛsɛ Berekum Chelsea 24 ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ama park no inside no ɔmo ɛpenti ne kama most starting and then the year no start here. We pool na see one tell us for pool no and see one on start here. You say my pinty go post na see pool na see okono. My pinty see modu nyansa cafe so baby after ko fia brigade no. Aho and so modu. Omugu so I say juma no mo nyam point. Sha no say is a park in inside on ya no. Omo pinty no kama ama na timi aye bro. Enti so ba Berekum go the city park turf no ɛyɛ green kama no na wall no so yɛtumi apenti no blue and white ne nyinaa ɛyɛ Berekum Chelsea ɛna ɛyɛ sɛdeɛ bi a ɔwɔ abawie mu ɛwɔ park no so bia no zampa park no nsakyerɛ mapa ɛtumi abam ti kudos nkɔmfa Berekum Chelsea 24
All right, so you see the video. And when you look at this video, you ask yourself, say, then the pitch looks fine. It's okay. And it looks like the first mystery, say, pitch, and I'm from Swan, TF, any person, TV, it's off. Now, the second mystery was that Globe TV might not have the capability. So, when you match on Saturday, you are saying, yeah, another game on Sunday. That was the second mystery. Only for us this afternoon, say, on the Ghana Football Association president, the wall, he posted this graphic. 2024-2025, March day 1, Division 1 League. Okay. Zone 1A, Victory, Club, Warriors versus Tamale Cities. There's a game on Saturday. So it started even on Friday. Good. So Techiman, Liberty Youth versus Mighty Royals. Wamnafo Mighty Royals. That game will be played at the Wenchi Sports Stadium. Techiman, Liberty Youth versus Mighty Royals. Then in make us asking him. The name will be Kanyes APR Globe TV near one so be ball Friday. Where you be Saturday, and where you be Saturday, and where you be Sunday. Until they be almost selected Sunday the end. It turns out that Globe TV will be showing a Division 1 game on Friday between Techiman Liberty Youth or Wenchi and the Mighty Royals. So Globe TV will show a game for free on Friday, and they will proceed to show another game on Saturday between Victory Club Warriors and the Tamale Cities on Saturday. To Globe TV, you bought Friday or in the Saturday. Not Sunday, waba brankesi ababeyi has any nations. So it defeats the second mystery. Say the TV station is not capable of showing more games because the FA in this occasion have selected a Division 1 game on Friday and Saturday for Globe to show instead of Kotoko Berekum Chelsea. There is a problem. The mystery is not solved. And today, Kotoko Chelsea, on Saturday. But if they have the ability to show a Division 1 game on Friday, a Division 1 game on Saturday, and a Premier League game on Sunday, it means they could have showed a Premier League game on Saturday and another Premier League game on Sunday. I mean, what is going on? Pitch, based on this video, and your picture, the second thing, based on this graphics, And yes, a TV station in here, they have it. So why is the game not on TV? And the only logical conclusion will come back to the accusation of leader. I could say, Berekum just try to come out and someone person be you on board. It comes to that. We will clarify that allegation by tomorrow. But it looks like that is the only logical conclusion at the moment. Because any pitch and any TV station now holding. So why is the game not on TV? Media confirmed. Referee, a friend George Vomawo, or no, a ebedi game no. According to graphics that is ongoing. Normally, the Ghana Football Association will make a publication confirming the referees for the game. Now, George Vomao, that is all that I can say. Could compare the for movement in the hall. Now, so yes, March official. So this is it. Sir Oko Eye Sunday. Yes, George Mauli Vomawo. Golden City Park. Or no any referee. Obeko could this game between Kotoko and Berekum Chelsea. Yeah, some more. Well, I say bit me akwa magic kakra di Amoah. But we keep solving the mysteries. And when we solve every mystery, a lot of questions keeps coming back. Well, today on radio, somebody asked me, which is Francis, on whether Albert Amoah is enough to replace Mukwala and Mbela. I mean, a submission. So let's just go and watch that submission. Miria na mewura Kotoko injury issues na yaka Kotoko prano and one sense prana ato Kotoko players and a bit of Linkley Sports Stadium news. That made the so amount on this particular channel. So let's just go and watch my analysis on Albert Amoah. The question of Kotoko attack. Young question kakra eba ani abeto aso. Striker there. Per the quality of Albert Amoah or the potential to replace Mukwala, to replace Mbela. But it would depend on how the team will create for him. Then Koko Bieni. After 2 games now is a coupon ball no above from the bench, and of course started against Bieni. And Kotoko 11 wonders was our boy, and then now they born a far line so I could say Kotoko Karela. My best of night is our game no Mbela and Kahun. Kotoko Bebo Kim Facer. And in fake starting on 2 goals. In fake crest inform she go Kurana Mbela and buy. And Sana Kotoko Sam on Sama Kotoko 3-2. In fake she 2. Kim Pfizer. Na Kotoko bo RTU. And was on board 1 draw. And then Roland from Pone Maxwell Ajimai. Or wings in so. And Kotoko Sam bo Kim Facer FA Cup. And also 1-0. Baba and a shitty Kotoko. To Kotoko Legon Cities. From Kimfesa matches never no free bench but no goal. So the first goal was against Legon Cities. That was even I think March the 8th or so. It was say 2 goals against Legon Cities, you know. And I feel oh boy think at that time can you replace it maybe a Kwame Poku and keep a some Oboatin it. So what I say. It taking a time before Mbela eventually say he's the man. After that Legon City's game one co bench beam and you can't do now the two that say no injury into training twice a week. That was the kind of special treatment norm the man so that he can play well for Kotoko. Now let's come to Mukwala. Mukwala hit the ground running. Jibo Kaya Mukwala or no both chances good papa. Just that now we were now with me who say signs in the signals or the movement. The take-ons, the build-up, how any players exchange ball, but he was struggling to score. Meaning, so man for Kaipa, Mukwala and Tate and Chishe, it taking I think even up to 6 games or so. And sana Mukwala bankasa, afi, because Mukwala was missing glorious opportunities for Kotoko and Azebo. No, Bogu. And sana far no, or we season with 12 goals. In team Mbela 21, Mukwala entimi ndru mu 3-4 mpo in his first season. The second season, he scored his first goal against Nations FC. I think was March day 6. That Asante Kotoko abo Heart of Lion 0-0 last season I'm making. Heart of Lion 0-0. Wako lusu 2-1 to baby any go stars. Sharif Mohammed ne she go no. One Karela abebo 1 draw. Baba ya ne she. No ko she Accra Lions 1-0. Kalu ene she header. Eno be she Adriana 1-0 and also Kalu. Until after 5 games last season, na Mukwala and she go. Until first go Mukwala share for the season. About our Brankesi Nations. And no cry shot na Kalu boy na Mukwala. E piatum. Till after 6 games na Mukwala she go. So even with Mukwala, and yeah, starting na. Even with Mbela, and yeah, starting na. Kwame Poku die. Okay, time no ba no die. Yes. All say no ni Kotoko be Kwame Poku people forget say on Kotoko ye training be 3 months grants ana obo. Was time on no buy no. Na registration na closing. Today be anesu Kotoko the boy be aba free kranza we ye training. So eventually we were a team no. And he started scoring. But now Kwame Poku ni Kotoko ye training for some time. So if say yes a comparison there, then it means that Albert Amoah no class starting Temeja. Omunyina. Albert ne mom ne de na bantem. Because we saw Albert Amoah against Hoho, he scored. We saw him against Vision FC, he scored 2 goals. That is about a preseason, you know. And he akwa against Karela Washe. And against Young Apostles. How many glorious chances Pana Kotoko create man? But Bakwa Wenyani he scored, but it was an offside. So it's about starting early. What starting?
About starting early.
No, he's talking about a replacement.
And players from the standard no Mujano ho no. Albert Amoah e betime replace Mukwala.
He can easily replace Mukwala. Easily. It all boils down to creativity around him. Me adia me ho no. Adia ba akọ eswate wo Kotoko team no as compared to seasons ya ya bobo boni sa players near creativity. Kotoko creativity this time around in Nisoro. Check his seasons now near Canada players. Kwame Poku had Fabio Gama behind him. He had Lativa Nabila behind him. He had Emmanuel Keyeke behind him. He had Emmanuel Jenfi on the wings. And now we mean players are on bit me a supply the amano. Kotoko team no. But this check it Mbela. Mbela had Gama. He had Lamte. He had Isaac Kopon. And no mean creators around him. Yes, I'm mankuna nye. Na mankuna so wodi ono so de ba.
Are you trying to say using Mbela and Mukwala?
Na even Mukwala.
Omo players when it comes to creativity, omo better than any players
of course. Na say any dey discussion. One area Kotoko quality na drop it. Hey, creators.
Na say go share no so have you.
No, but the point we are comparing it with last season.
Show preseason.
Check it Kotoko last season players
because the players no more kono last season team no entime rattle form na say the following season some players ni ho na upgrade team no one key area the attacking area team na say create a lot of chances free no ofu say above from there then send the season no say the expectation was above from kakra
enye can say textbook formula we know the coach has this plan of creating. But me share the players back
coach
then.
No one plan, but any materials no be use no.
Maybe he will use it through those materials. But if you are doing a comparison between last season creative materials and this season, I drop it.
And the say a problem.
It will depend on how the coach will play.
But say what work some matches or my bonnie this year.
That one I drop it, but it depends on how the coach will play.
Did the coach no
if the coach it will be a problem.
Based on matches mienu na ya no.
Matches mienu ne dey Kotoko 2 goals in 2 matches.
And I will cast a creativity from
last season they scored 1 goal in 2 games.
There who asem ne say.
Me
the asem na me gina so.
Me say me tell me say difference back yeah analysis here the shame say last season players now a creative with team in terms of options no. Na door so 10 this season.
Nti e
So for instance, last season, Kotoko had Lamte, Shadrach Ado.
O de nye players ni.
No, member.
Any players in the Are you saying say last season players are not Kotoko at their creative position? Any this season, last season, the was switching this season.
Yes, in terms of numbers, in terms of quality, I was switching this season.
Okay,
but it will come back to how the coach will use them. For instance, I study coach now. He's planning on Elvis Che, Auche, Bauche Pra. By whom Auche or Kotko has on a provided assist. Baba Dauda Saka, Peter Aqua, and Dodge man of the match, Emmanuel Entry, and now Waka Vinny Junior, Wisdom Bassi. Just that Wepra, Chebaf Wepra, into Yehuno. Ba coach ni wojidi wonu. Bassi nim boy, into Yehuno. He said, yeah, Peter Aqua, Saka, and an entry. And for now, Saka nyan lande. Because 2 games no abono on C form. Peter Aqua in the 2 games in C form. Therefore, it would depend on how the coach will. So coach needs me to fix here. Creativity will be a problem for Kotoko.
Baba, my minty way. Maybe I'm a best senior captain.
Strike there. Per the quality of Albert Amoah or the potential to replace Mukwala, to replace Mbela. But it would depend on how the team will create for him.
All right, yen to us. Well, come on, say Asante Kotoko. Ako pio mo boase hono mo bombo. For now, like I said, in the past, say the Baba Sports Stadium die baby no be anim. Minim wunim. Because there is a FIFA World Cup, a World Cup qualifier at Daho. And the leaders will love to play this game in Kumasi. Therefore, the plan is very simple. Until say CAF and FIFA regulations say a category 3 game ama World Cup qualifiers na etimi aba so Kumasi. So it looks like Kotoko will stay at Obuasi for a long time. Pitch no yinyina hu say na any a best of shape. Ebre ba radio so eba TV so ma yinyina here. This week Kotoko company for news ama pixel openye friend Dr. Ike Udimuntintimine trying everything possible. Send ye Obuasi the next Kotoko home game against Accra Lions, no, it will be in a good shape. Now, a bit better than what we observe. So it appears that you say Obuasi there, in terms of control over the place. No, may use some baby. Well, we have this story on a smart Abdul Hamid Mohammed Al Hassan said, now the news says you need a surgery. You can't and after scan and other things, it appears that the boy can go off for a very long time. Maka same way about praying for the Kotoko players. Makapa asama metaika. So Kotoko season be no member players get injured. Say injury is part of the game, but influential players prepare. Last season, Sheriff Mohammed, it happened. And after say Sheriff prior, there were options, but you who the options in the year they market until Ogum Esan and Sano. Samba e prior Otimiko Bo Kotoko, any young apostles. The news is that he's out of Kotoko, game on the ball against Berekum Chelsea. Obiabetia Tumse Kotoko defense and Mohammed Kamara a new player, Lord Amoah a new, Samba a new, Ablo a new. A smart in you, but the net team pie Samba. Lord Amoah and disappointed, but Samba is in a different class of his own. And a player, my coach was a coach Ogum scouting for 3 years and San Okofanaba. So Coach Ogum's system above from defense, Samba a player back on Fanny Diagro. We're proud. I can't say we were. Tinedu. Echitafo ni nyina nim de ti na du betimi aye coach Ogum na nkasa nim de ti na du betimi aye enu nti na owde everything possible to go for Tinedu ono so epra yenka ase bibia na enye ne sunsum asem yenka ase bibia na enkofa sofo e na hiri baba no But the spiritual life of every individual is as important as the physical life. And in football, boy, will be due team sheet. Eddie Koja, say for blocks and swell be now on the day when you do to the stance on team to Bricano. And so will be about 20 and 2 super bowl the end by. Yes. Football, man for air tries spiritually, they will penetrate the opponent and weaken the opponent. Nti otimi wura wo team no na o weaken players, key players when ya kwan didim. So Kotoko safi ye be se ye gili ye se ye bossa ade no ho mpae. Maka se Kotoko squad ya fi endorse players ne endorse. Yes, quality ni wo ho, but options ne endorse. Into 2, 3, 4, 5 be prepare asemasi. This all the youth team players be shame. I would change and recover we. Enti say Tinedu is smart. Any Samba Kotoko left back year 2 for the season is Samba ne Patrick Esiedu 2. Tise baako ebe pra na se nyame amfa fie okoye surgery he will be out for a long time, possibly the entire season. Left back options for Kotoko no this year the obi a oye makeshift kobo. The chita for no sorry. Na mo mpa ebo munyedu for the victory of Asante Kotoko. Nimbesia ochine beto aso. Bye bye.